Hello, class. I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Eureka. Hacer una cuenta en Eureka. This is a program that's free if you put in the correct password that you can use to get in for free. Es un programa gratis que te va a ayudar a conseguir trabajos y encontrar trabajos con tu personalidad. It's going to help you find, and it gives you an idea of the kind of jobs that you're going to like based on your personality if you answer the questions honestly. It's not perfect, no es perfecto, but it gives you an idea. So we're going to use this in class today. Vamos a usarlo para ayudarlos. So first, we have to go to eureka.org right here. And then you click on Create Account. My school agency sent me here. Site code. Va a necesitar este clave. I'm gonna send you this code, but this is the code you're going to use for free. Right there, XKBEDJQ. So we're going to put that code here and submit. Might just take a moment, un momento. Okay, then we have to create our information here. Also, I said información aquí. First name, you're going to put your first name. I'm going to put, for example, David. Last name, I'll just put Valencia. Ejemplo, just example right here. Email, make sure you put your email address. Your Gmail account is going to be better. So, not that one. For this practice, I'm going to use this practice Gmail. Este es un ejemplo que voy a usar. I'm going to use this example right here as my email. Pero va a poner tu correo aquí electrónico. You're going to put your Gmail right here. Your age, tu edad, you're going to select your age group. Whichever, it doesn't matter. User type. You're a student. Eres un estudiante. So you're going to select student. Grade. We're in adult school. Adult school is what you're going to choose. State is California. You're going to choose female, mujer, male, hombre. Ethnicity. I'll just check Hispanic. Here, ignora esto. You don't have to do anything right there. You can ignore that. Ignora esto, solamente selecciona aquí. You'll select here. And then you click next. Now you have to create a login. Aquí tiene que inventar un nombre y un clave. Now the name, el nombre, voy a recomendar que usa tu correo del Gmail. Usa eso para tu nombre. I recommend use your Gmail account name as your desired login name. So I'm going to paste it in there. Now, when you create this desired login name, notice that where it says @gmail.com, you want to delete, erase, click on the end and move to the end and then click on backspace. Erase. So it's your email address, just don't put @gmail.com. You're going to leave that part out. But everything else will be your desired login name. I'll recommend your Gmail account if you can. Your password, you have to create a password. You have to put it 2 times. So I'll just invent a password. And you put it again. Like that. And then you submit. I would recommend for your password, use the same password for your Gmail. Yo recomiendo que use tu mismo correo a tu Gmail para tu clave, para que no tenga que memorizar diferentes claves. So you don't have to memorize different passwords. Just use the same password for your Gmail account. Make it a little easier. And then you submit. Didn't confirm it. Okay, I'll try it again. I probably made a mistake. Let's try that again. There we go. It worked. So thank you. It was accepted. Should you forget use the forget password? Okay, so here we are. You just click on submit. And you're in here. Estamos adentro. So the first thing I want you to do, la primera cosa que quiero que hace, go to True Colors right here. Click on this. Here's a test. This is the test that I want you to take. You're going to take. Es un examen de tu personalidad. It'll give you an idea, una idea de tu personalidad y los trabajos que le van a gustar. It gives you an idea of the kind of careers and jobs you may like or types of careers you may want to study at the university. It's not perfect, but it gives you an idea. So that's why we're going to work with it today. And it's free. So you can do it in English or Spanish. I'll choose English for now. And then you look at these questions. Now I'll explain how this works here. Let's look at each, there's groups of questions. Let's look at the first question. I act on a moment's notice. I'm active, opportunistic, and spontaneous. If you feel that is least like me, you click there. A little like me, click there. More like me, click there. Most likely, click there. So that's how you're going to answer these. Vas a seleccionar uno nomás. Va a leer esto en español y va a contestar si es mucho como ti, poquito como ti, muy poquito, mucho como ti. Va a decirlo en español, pero va a contestar esta pregunta de tu personalidad. It's asking about your personality. Now, one thing I have to show you is, let's look at the next one here. I follow the rules and respect authority. Parental, responsible, and traditional. If that describe, are you a lot like, is that least like you? Un poquito como ti? A little like me? More like me? Or most like me? Now, here's the thing. You cannot give the same rating to more than one statement within a group. So, for example, you can't, for example, have two of the, you can't, no puedo contestar el dos en el mismo columno aquí en este. You can't answer two in the same column. So you'll have to make a choice. If both of these questions are most like me, you'll have to choose one for the most, and then the next one you have to choose like maybe there. And then the next question, I look for significant meaning of life, authentic, compassionate, and harmonious. If that's least like you, you'll click on that. I need explanations and answers. Competent, inventive, and versatile. If this describes you, well, right here, the only option you can click is there. No puedes seleccionar dos en el mismo columno. You can't select two in the same column, unfortunately. So it's not perfect, but you just do that to get an idea of your personality. So that's how you do this. Then you go to the next one, group 2. I consider life as a game. Now here, you can do it from you. You can start over here. That's fine. Or you can select here. You just can't select right there. You can't select there. So it's one for each column. So it's going to have uno por cada columno. You have to answer one for each column. It's not perfect, but it'll give you an idea. But once you finish, you're going to get your results. I'll just, just do this to show you what it'll look like. Voy a hacer esto rápido para que te muestre cómo mira los resultados. You can look at your results, save and go to results. And over here, it gives you a little explanation of your color. El color de tu personalidad. It tells you right here, it'll say it in Spanish or English. It tells you about how your personality is. And then aquí están los trabajos. And here's a list of jobs that you will probably enjoy based on your personality. Now, it's not perfect. No es perfecto. It just gives you an idea just gives you an idea. Una idea nomás. But we're gonna look at some of these. And then, for example, this personality says that you'll be good at as an adult education teacher. You can double click that sección este. Right here it tells you el nivel de educación que necesita. It tells you the level of education you need for this career. It also gives you a little description about the job, what you'll need to do, and also gives you a pay scale, how much these jobs make. También te dice cuánto ganas más o menos por año en estas carreras. All this information is here, and we're going to be working on this for our final projects in the class. But now you guys know how to log into the system and create this. So if you have any other questions, si tienen más preguntas, just send me an email or talk to me in class. And here's how you use the system here to create your account and to get your personality scores to find jobs and vocations that you may enjoy. So we'll continue this in the next video, but thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys soon.